Let's do some labeling there. A, B, C, D, E. Calculate the area of the shape, the base shape, A, B, C. Where is A, B, C, D, E? A, B, C, A, B, C, E, D. Can you see? This is the part they are looking for. So this shape is made up of two shapes. It's made up of a triangle, and it's also made up of a rectangle. So we're going to divide the two and then add them up together to find that. I'm going to say area will be of the total of the base. Let's say area of base will be area of the triangle plus area of the rectangle. So what is the area of the rectangle? Let's start with that one first. Okay. Area of the rectangle will be this part. This part. Do you agree? So it will be 12 multiplied by 3. So it will be L times B, which is 12 times 3. Find there. What is the area of a rectangle? Half the base times the perpendicular height. So 1 over 2 multiplied by, what is the base? The base will still be this, will be the same. This is where the triangle starts. So this is also 12. So the base will be 12. Now, what will be the height? The height of EJ is given as what? EJ. EJ is from here. Let me just remove this. Can you see EJ? It's this whole length, but the triangle only starts there. So meaning this part is already covered in the rectangle. So I'm going to say 11 minus 3, which is 9. 11 minus 3 is 8. It's 8. Sorry. So meaning the height is 8. So I'm going to write 8 there. I hope you're all fine. Hope you get it. You can pause and go through it again. Just combine. Then what is half of 12? Half of 12 is 6. 6 times 8 is how much? Let's press this whole thing on a calculator. Don't stress yourself. Calculator. Put this on a calculator. 86. And then press them together. 84. What are the units? Meters squared. So the area of the base will be 84 meters squared. Nice, beautiful question. Okay. Moving along. Now the question says calculate the total surface area of the burn. The total surface area. Remember, how do we do total surface area? We add all the faces together. This face. Remember, a cube has 6 faces, so we add all the faces, the area of all the faces. So this is what I'm going to do here. Let me just get more space. So we have the base as 84. I'll write it here. The base is 84 meters squared. And let me just work on this part here. Okay, now, what are we going to do? We're going to look at all the faces or all the sides of this beautiful shape. So then we calculate the total surface area as we go. So I'm going to say total surface area. Do you agree this base will be the same as that part on the other side? Do you see that part? Do you agree that these two sides will be the same? So I'm going to have two of the base and top. So already I have it as 84. So I'm just going to edit like that. Then I have this part. Let me show you. Do you see this part? Like a roofing. This part. What shape is this part? This is a rectangle. So how much is here? This part should be 24 because of this 24. And then how much will be this part that is land? This part that is land will be the same, so it will be 10. Do you agree that this part here is the same as that what? That part on the other side, this part there on the other side. So it is twice 24 times 10 because of, I have two sides that look the same. Are they together? Plus, which side am I looking at now? Let me use a different color. Look at this part, the sides, the two sides. What shape is this? It's a rectangle also. I have this side as 12. And what about this part? This part should be the same as this, the width. So it is also 3. And this part is the same as that part on the other side. So I have 12, 2, 2, meaning I have twice the sides. What you call 24 and what? 24 and 3. 24 and 3. And then which side is missing? This front part. Can you see the front part? Oh, no. The front part is covered with the base. It's covered because this whole shape is part of the base. So it is covered. The only missing part is the bottom part. The bottom part. So do we have another color here? Green here. Do you see this part? This part. What will be the shape of that part? So this part will be 12 and 24. This part will be 24. So how many sides of that do we have? Only one. So 12 and 24. And then that. So all of these are rectangles with different dimensions. So length times breadth for the front part, length times breadth, and then just calculate the whole thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just press it on the calculator. 224 times 10. You can pause the video, do it yourself. Don't just be a spectator without working. 1,080 meters squared because we're dealing with total surface area. So please check. This was a nice, beautiful question. Last question, calculate the volume of the burn. The volume of the right prism. So what is the volume of any prism? We multiply the area of the base, we multiply it by height. This is the standard formula of multiplying volume. You get the area of the base multiplied by the height. So if this shape, the way it is, if the yellow part is the base, so it's going to be something like this, of which I already have the base here as 84. Now, this part, the length, if this moves like this, the length becomes the height, so which is 24. Just multiply by 24. 24, then you get 2016 meters cubed. Okay, I hope you got it, guys.